go. Yeah.
26.
Change!
You feel me?
Yeah, I got something in my pocket. I don't know what it is though. Oh!
Take a deep breath.
Keep Yeah, oh, it's that. Oh, man. I thought you threw it in there, bro.
When do you think it's safe to walk away?
It's never safe to walk away.
I'm at the fire closer.
Exactly.
I got something. I don't know what it is though.
You throw that water bottle in the
It's
fire.
some like barrel or something.
You throw the water bottle.
Oh. No, it's like a barrel or something. I don't know what it is. Watch out. I don't know where it's going. Tipped over. There we go. Watch out. It's on.